In this segment, we will demonstrate how to use Autoflow within Turf. Autoflow allows the moderator to automate user testing sessions in a step-by-step fashion. The moderator can predefine actions, including displaying files, displaying videos, capturing images, filling in all sorts of forms. You will be able to run an Autoflow session, and Turf will follow the default configuration and process the actions automatically. In order to organize the files, under User Testing, we have created 5 folders under the ePrescribing folder. The names of these folders are Demographic Forms, Moderator Notes, Performance Forms, System Usability Survey Forms, and the Media Files. First, you will need to configure Autoflow before using it. Go to the User Testing tab, double-click on the desired product to open a list of projects, and then click on any user testing project. Click the Data Capture Configuration button in the Autoflow ribbon under the User Testing tab at the top of the screen. In the left panel of the Data Capture Configuration dialog, click the New button. This will open an untitled screen in the right panel. Enter the basic information, such as the configuration name, and then a description of the product. Set this configuration as the default Autoflow configuration by checking the default box. Now you can add actions to the Autoflow session. Click the Add button on the Data Capture configuration to add a new action. Enter the action name, and here we're going to include informed consent. Select Display a PDF file from the drop-down menu under Action Type. Click the button with the 3 dots under the Content column, and a dialog pop-up will allow you to choose the PDF file you want to display. Double-click on that PDF, and then you will see the name of the PDF file under the Content column. During the Autoflow session, this informed consent file will be displayed for the user to read. Next, we'll show you how to add a demographic form for the user to fill in. During our Autoflow session, this demographic form will be displayed on the screen and the user can complete it. Select Fill in Demographics from the drop-down menu under Action Type. Next, click the button with the 3 dots under Content column and select the folder dialog will allow you to choose the folder you want to store these documents in. Note, you can add a new folder, rename a folder, and delete an existing folder. Choose the folder you want to put these documents into, and press the OK button. Next, for this demo, we'll add another section and set up media recording for the Autoflow session. Click the Add button on the Data Capture configuration box. Enter the action name, which is video recording, and then select Record Selected Audio Video from the drop-down box. Select a folder to store your media files in, and here we're going to use the media files, and then click the OK button. Last, after the user completes the user testing, you'll want to display a message indicating you've reached the end of the session. To do this in Turf, you can add an action that will use a text message at the end of the session. Click the Add button in the Data Capture configuration box. Enter the action name, and then select Display Text from the action type. Click the 3 dots under the Content column, and a pop-up window will allow you to enter the words you want to use at the end of your session. And then click the OK button. Once you've included all of the testing activities, you can adjust the order by selecting an action and clicking the up or down buttons. And then after you finish the configuration, click the Save button.